Hello, my name is Isaac Hernandez, and today I'm going to be showing you how to place a pie chart on your data Excel sheet. This is great for visualizations. You could also snip and sketch this for a presentation, but I hope this becomes useful to you. Let's see. So we have all our data here, and as you can see, it's split into 4 quarters, and then with the total. So it's very simple. You're going to want to click inside the table itself. You're going to come to the Insert tab right up here. And then you're going to come here to the pie charts. You can put, it says right here, insert pie or donut chart. You're going to click the arrow. You're going to come to 3D pie. Perfect. And up here you have different options. So as you can see, it changes with each option. But I always like to go for this. For me, if it has a dark background, it's easier to see. And then what we're going to do is a little bit of filtering. You're going to come to this little funnel, and then here you have quarter 1, quarter 2, 3, 4. So it can change. However, I think all we're going to go and do is just come to categories. I mean, pretty much apply. As you can see, it updated the pie chart. And then we're going to try quarter 2. No. We're just going to go quarter 1. And then click apply. So we're going to click out. And the great thing about a pie chart on Excel is that it's easy to edit. We could rename it, and that's most likely what you're always going to want to do. So we're going to put 2016 quarterly tour. And up here, down here, you can see all the different colors and what they mean. And you really want to clean up your pie chart. So what you're going to do is you're going to click into it, and you can see as they all highlight in a way. And you want to pull these up. But what's cool is you're going to see a little arm that's going to be connecting to the data. I'm sorry, to the part of the pie chart that's referring to. And then for, let's say we want to make something stand out a little bit more. Well, you have all of this set up. You're going to want to double click on whatever it is. So say you're talking about Australia. You're going to want to double click. And then you're going to click it, hold it, drag it, and look at that. We're going to try that again actually. Make sure that this blue line is only around Australia, so perfect like that. And then do it again. Bang. Look at that. And then you could rotate it using this little table here. It's a lot better too, just to have it like that. And I mean, that also just makes it a little bit more dramatic. So let's put it all the way at the top just to show you what it looks like. Right. But you don't need all that. You can just do it like that. It looks great. And let me show you another one. So we have that going. I'm just going to make that a little small so it doesn't take up too much space. We're going to come back here. And then you have a bunch of recommended charts. But we're just going to use some of the basic ones. So as you can see right here, we have a stat chart. We have a hierarchy chart. And we have a bar chart. Bar charts are sometimes a little bit better. And we're going to come here. And we're going to put it into the same kind of color with the dark background. And then so as you can see, the total is skyrocketing because that is not part of the data that we need. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, well, these are just the basics on how to insert some tables. And let's try another one. So we have here all the charts. And like I said, these are super helpful. Let's try this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the chart that you need, or ones that you think will be the best for your presentation, or just your homework, anything in general, maybe for work. And all you're gonna do is just click it, make sure it's highlighted like that. You see it has that gray frame around it. I'm gonna click this first one though, so I'm gonna press OK. And like I said, you want to filter. Apply. And overall, you see it's like quarter one dominates, but we could come here, and this is a style, and then we're gonna bring it down here, and so it's a little easier to see. It matches with the other ones too in a way. Looks a little bit more, a little different, but it's not too bad. And perfect. So this is how you make charts. And here's another one. This one's actually very cool. You can do maps. This one does take a little bit to load, but overall, when you're trying to get really in depth, it's easy. It's great to look at, and it's gonna highlight the countries. So we're gonna come here. It's gonna take a while. Look at that. So as you can see, it's highlighting the countries that are listed here. And that's pretty much it. So you can make it look as good as you want for your presentations. This is just a basic on how to use the charts. And I hope this video helped. Thank you so much. This video is for the Monterey County Free Libraries.